Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can find TikTok trending video. So if you want to create videos on trending topics or you want to find some trending videos, then you can find. TikTok will provide this option to you. So how you will find this? First of all, open your TikTok app. When you open this, just click on your profile. On your profile, at the top right side, just click on these three horizontal lines and just go to TikTok Studio. When you go this, scroll down and here you will find two options. The first one is recommended and the second one is trending. Just click on this trending and here you can find all the trending videos. Now if you are living in Pakistan or India, you can select your country. Here at the last option right side you can see there is a country option. Just simply click on this and select your country. You can select your country here. Just select your country, then you will find all the videos that trending in that country. Similarly, you can click on our topic and here you can select different topics and you will find trending videos related to those topics. So this is the way you can find trending topics or videos on TikTok.